Ay!
Degradation. Fathers
Uy!
with their daughters.
Paano yun nangyari?
Sharing bags.
Ginagawa mo. Napakagaling mo ng bata to, pero walang apoy. Ganyan kami dito magluto, walang apoy. Pero tingnan mo naman, oh. Nakakaluto kami dito. Ganito kami dito kagaling. Welcome to another episode of My Vlog!
You touch
Di ba?
captain. The Peaky Blinders.
Ganito kami magluto. Walang apoy at kaya meron na kasi nahihiya na siya.
Blind those at sea.
Wow!
Oh.
Wow! For today's fucking video.
You are worse than them.
Ano ba yun?
Those of you who have taken their bribes these years since
Look at that. Look at that, man.
those of you who look young,
Look at the shower. Oh.
are worse than them.
Hindi ka trabaho.
God damn you for soiling your uniforms.
Bakit ano nangyari? Dito pag ito naluto, kaya awigin mo pa. Paano ko nalaman? Ang Gwen kasi! Oh, Gwen! This is Gwen! This is Gwen! This is Gwen! The face is Gwen! No! The
Alam mo naman na, ano, favorite color. Oh,
Gago!
Balaan mo ko sa dinin eh.
Sabihin ko, hindi mo alam, gago ka pala eh. Kasi Gwen, everything is Gwen. What happened to the world? The world,
World is green.
the world is wonderful
We
thing.
all know there's more water than land. That's not true.
Why?
There's more land under the water. Dorime.
Shower thoughts. Shower thoughts.
Okay.
Did you know?
So
that
we're
you're
made of
made-
atoms.
Did you
and
know that
atoms
you're-
never touch each other. So if we're made of atoms, I never touched that. I never punched that kid.
Okay, okay, that's good. That's good, but this is better. Did you know?
This is a palm. That is a tree. Where? One tree. One tree. Palm tree. Don't leave me. 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 Sabi siya ba? And I wanna kiss you, make me feel right. I'm just so tired to share my life. And I wanna cry. And I wanna love. So my tears been used up on another.
Gago pala ka eh. Ano?
Boga.
Ano sa kibidigkay ka? Pinagsasabi nun? Anong pinagsasabi nun? Anong nananana? Baliw ba to? Baliw ba to dati? O dati pa tong baliw? Ano sa tingin nyo? Kaya, bantayan. Mamaya sa Jessica so... Pinagsasabi ng buwang
Di
yan.
ba makikita ko yung song?
Hindi mo gago. Paano nangyari? Buwang ba yun dati? O dati pa yung buwang? And our ulam for today is... Taran! At meron ditong... Boo! Oh, nanay! Hindi pang kulay. Hi. What will that you try? Sinaktan mo siya.
May nagligtas sa kanya.
Sino?
Concern, nasaktan siya.
Ba't siya nasaktan?
So stop being dramatic!
Oh no, come on, boy. Oh shit! Mamen,
You're just being
hindi mo alam
melodramatic.
pinagsasabi mo.
Para sa'yo.
Ang sa akin?
Lahat-lahat para sa'yo.
Huwag ka iyak. Huwag ka iyak.
Sure ka? Hindi mo nga nilagyan.
Saktan ko yung buhay ko.
Oh.
Gagawin ko.
Oh,
Dahil mahal kita.
oh.
Kasi,
Gago ka pala.
anong magagawa?
You will never look at me. The same way that you look at me.
Huwag ka iyak. Huwag ka iyak. Manong plako, huwag ka iyak. Gago ka pala eh.
Piling artist na yung tao dito ah.
Gago ka ba dati? Paano nangyari yun? Mahal niyo daw ako. Paano nangyari yun? Sabihin mo. Sabihin mo. Ba't kailangan mga tapak?
Daya mo yan. Ha?
Okay, for today's video, mag-ano po tayo? Alam mong gagawin namin? Time-lapse challenge. Kaya sumunod natin in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hinay-hinay. Dapat ituba ka. Gago.
Hindi mo tayo.
Ako mataon. Kung gago siya. Bulate nga